Is your iPhone keypad or dial pad not working during calls? If the dial pad appears gray, doesn't show up, or isn't responding after receiving a call, try this quick fix to solve the issue. Solution 1. Turn dialer reaction on iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, then toggle this feature off. Solution 2. Remove third-party dialer and stick to Apple Dialer. If you have installed any third-party dialer on your iPhone, we will highly recommend you remove your dialer. After removing it, or if you never installed one, then just restart your iPhone and see what happens. If you still have issue, try out these last two processes. Solution 3. Update your dialer app. Open Setting, tap General, scroll down, tap Software Update. Try to update your software. If there is no software update, then go back, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Doing this will remove your network setting only, and it won't delete any of your data and will get your setting back to default. Once you do this, your problem will be fixed. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.